Hey guys, this is our last review assignment for the year. We will have something fun next week to kind of tie everything together. So this is kind of your last big review push here. I found a Google slide regarding graphing linear functions using slope and y-intercept. So if you remember, when you graph, you have to plot your y-intercept and then count your slope and then connect the dots. Okay, so one of the things that needs to happen, you need to have a formula or a function that looks like this: y equals mx plus b. If it doesn't look like that, you're going to have to get it into that form. Most of these are in slope-intercept form. Some are special cases. Some are not in slope-intercept form, so you might have to move things around. So slide number 2 gives you information. So step 1 says to put the equation in slope-intercept form if it is not already in that form. Then you're going to type the equation in this white box here. So the example they gave you was not in slope-intercept form. Like I said, most of them are in slope-intercept form. Some are not. So once you do that, you type it into the equation. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use the red dots that are given to plot the y-intercept and another point, which would be when you count up to the slope, or 2 to help you graph. Okay. Step 3, you're going to grab the line which is given for you and graph the equation. All you're doing is connecting the dots. Okay. After you graph the line properly, the line is going to pass through one of the pictures that they give you. So not all of them, they give you like 3 or 4 different graphics on the graphs, and it should pass through one. When you figure out which color it is, so like we have soccer balls here, it passes through the purple soccer ball. So you're going to put that box that they have, you're going to drag the box over the soccer ball. Oh, it's a lot of directions. Okay, so slide 3, you guys all know how to drag and drop. I'm not even going to go there. I'm pretty sure you guys know how. The only caveat, read this slide, but the only thing is you're going to use your mouse if you're on a computer. And if you're on a tablet or like a touch screen or your phone, you're gonna have to tap the graph box first, then drag it. It's not gonna just let you drag. Okay, so let's do one example together. You'll have to do this again on your page, but that's okay. So it's asking us to graph y equals 2/5 x plus 1. This is in y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form, so we're good to go there. So we have to identify our intercept. Our y-intercept is 1. So I'm going to, they already have the point there for you at 0, 1. Okay, next I have to graph my slope. So from your y-intercept, 0, 1, we're going to count up to into the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to be at the point 3, 5. So I'm going to take one of these guys and very carefully, as accurately as possible, and that's a little too high, so this might take you a minute, but graph that point. If you want to graph another, you can. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to be over here. You can do that. I think it's kind of obvious which ice cream cone we're going to go through, but so we're going to take this now. This is where it gets slightly tricky. We're going to have to take this and rotate it slightly. Okay, and you're just going to have to find the right fit. It's probably going to take a minute. This is not exactly like, super fast or easy, but you can see kind of what I'm doing with my mouse. Okay, boom, there I got it. It's going through my mint chocolate chip. I don't know what that is. Mint ice cream cone. So I'm going to cover that. Okay? So that's all you have to do. Some of the problems are going to be a little bit more challenging. Let's see, the first 3 are in y-intercept, so is the 4th one. This one's different. This is a special case, so remember your special case. Y equals a number is going to produce a horizontal line somewhere. Okay, so be careful on that one. This one you have to simply, all you gotta do is divide by -6, okay, to get your new equation. So you might need to do some of these on a separate sheet of paper. All right, that one, you just have to get x by itself. So you're gonna move 6 over to the right side by subtracting. And then remember, if y equals a number produces a horizontal line, x equals a number is gonna produce a vertical line. Okay, so check that out. Let's see here. That was number 11. 12 is in y equals mx plus b form. 14, you need to get y by itself. So you're going to add 2 to both sides. Not too bad. And then this one is another special case. So there you have it. Do your best. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. Have a great day. We'll talk to you guys soon.